I was just trying to record something and I forgot I didn't press the record button. So, it's cooking time again. I've never made this recipe. I'm kind of scared of how it's going to turn out. So, let's get started. You guys can hear me. The first thing we're going to do is, these are the ingredients you need. You need a crock pot. I never used these before. They're called slow cooker bags. My mom says they work really good. Slow cooker liners. I bought them at my local grocery store next door. So, basically, you're just going to set the liner inside. It's like a little trash bag. You just set it right inside there. Whoa, you guys spelled. You guys spelled it. There we go. So you need a crock pot for this recipe. If you don't have a crock pot, I would suggest to use, just a deep baking dish. Because you're going to be adding, rice, soup, water, and your chicken. So, my chicken hasn't been thawing very much, so, I just set it in there not long ago. But I use the Tyson chicken. They say to use 4 breasts, but I only have 3. So I'm going to go ahead and microwave that. I don't know if I should take it out of the plastic or what. I would assume so. Ooh, yikes. It's been thawing for like 20 minutes maybe, so it's kind of there, but not really. It should be thawed all day, and you know what? I just found out this recipe like literally 30 minutes ago. Oh. Damn, why do you guys keep falling? Sorry, guys. Make sure you wash your hands, so I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put this chicken in the microwave for a couple minutes. I'm going to say about 2 to 2.5 minutes. Sorry, you guys stall again. Okay, so you need the chicken. 3 to 4 breasts, I guess. It says. So yeah, you can count on us. That's where I work. They said to get, a bag of wild rice. Not instant rice. This is not instant, and you're gonna fall again. But I got 2 of them, just because I don't know if this is gonna be enough. Because I like a lot of rice. Or you don't have to use rice. I'm just saying. And then you need 2 cans of, I wouldn't say Campbell's, it could be anything, Spartan, Good Valley, it could be anything. But it has to be 98% fat-free cream of celery soup. And I picked the Campbell's because that's what I could find. And it said 98% fat-free on the recipe, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm kind of nervous because I've never done this before. Let me show you what I got with it. Falling, and you're falling again! Stop falling, guys! Maybe if I put you in this side. Maybe if I put you there. Does that work? Okay. Let me show you what I got you while that's falling. I was looking for cocoa, but I decided I want coffee. I have a Keurig. I don't know if you can't see it, but it's right here, right there, 0.2 Keurig. Right there. Okay. Do you see it? Okay. So I have a Keurig, and I love Maxwell House coffee. I love Folgers, but I like Maxwell House better. Don't get me wrong, Folgers is the bomb. I love it. My bag's in the way. Woo. Okay. Sorry, it's just in my way. But I love Maxwell House. And then I saw there was a coupon underneath, so I got $1 off of this. It was originally $7.99, and I got $1 off. So, yeah. So I can't wait to try some. Sounds like my chicken's done. Don't think it's done yet. It's not thawed out yet. Just waiting. Let's put it on for 2.5 more minutes. See, a smart person would have thought it out before they looked up a recipe to do it in the crock pot. Now this recipe says it only takes 4 to 6 hours. So I'm thinking by the time Anna gets home, she'll be hungry and she'll want to eat some food. So I hope this turns out really good because this is my first time cooking in a crock pot. I've never done it before. So it says I have to have the chicken in there first. I'm thinking that only one box of rice is gonna do it good for us. I don't know what this is. 25 herbs and tea. I don't know if I might want to put that in there, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna set it in there. Because you know how rice it thickens up, so maybe just one box is gonna do okay. I probably could take this back and get my money back, but it's $2. I'm not worried about it. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for this chicken to get done so I can just plop it in there. Oh, it says to dry the chicken off with a paper towel. Don't know what that means. I guess because it's slimy and wet, you want it to be dry. Don't ask. I really don't know what I'm doing, guys. Just waiting for it to get done. Smells like it's cooking. Do you see I only have this light on right here? Go into the light! I only have this light in right now. I think it might be, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's starting to cook. So we don't want it to cook yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it, make it dry. Because, oh yeah, we want all that juice on there, but on the same time, we don't. I'm kind of afraid. Yeah, don't do what I just tried to do. We're gonna do this. We're gonna cut it. This is 3 small breasts. These are decent sized breasts. Yeah. I'm thinking that these are gonna be good enough. These are what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and set that one in there. And then, I don't know. See, a smart person would have thawed this out, but of course I have no idea what I'm doing. So, again, excuse me because I really don't know what I'm doing. Ooh. Yeah, we don't want that on there. They're still kind of a little frozen, but I think they'll be okay. I think it'll be fine. We're going to go ahead and throw this away. First, let's straighten it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add the soup first. So it calls for 2 cans of cream of celery soup, 98% fat-free. I'm going to go ahead and dish that in there. It's not on yet. I haven't turned it on yet. It smells really good. Oh, and I don't know if I said this already, but the rice should not be instant. I don't know what I got was instant or just, because I know instant rice, it takes like 2 minutes. So I don't know what instant rice is. I think it's those 60-second rices they wanted, or they said they don't want. That's what I'm thinking they mean by instant rice. Okay. This looks really good, guys. I will show you after I'm done what it looks like. Takes 4 to 6 hours, so it'll be done by 9 o'clock tonight. I probably should have started this earlier today, but I was thinking, like, I'm so hungry. This was earlier today. I was thinking I was so hungry, I wanted some chicken legs, like barbecue chicken legs, but me and Anna are trying to eat healthier, so we figured we'd buy chicken instead of, like, ground beef and all that nasty stuff. So, and then it says 1 can of water. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in. Okay. So the liquid is covering it. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. I'm going to go ahead and just use a spoon like this. They said to make sure the water is covering the chicken. So I open this up and I have the rice. So cross your fingers, guys. I hope this works. Okay. So thinking about halfway through, if the chicken isn't at least halfway done, we're gonna try to hook it up. But this is what it looks like. That's the rice covering it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put my top on. so it's on there. It's not coming off. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in right across here. And about halfway through, guys, I'm going to come in and I'm going to put it on medium just because I want it to get done by the time Anna gets home. So it'll probably only take 3 to 5 hours since I'm 4 to 6. Where's my little, there it is. How do I know if it's on or not? We're going to put it on medium. Well, there really isn't a medium, so we're going to put it on high. I don't know if it's going to work or not. So let's just see. That's that. We're gonna set it to brick. Just because I'm kind of afraid it's not gonna work here. I know that one. But I'm gonna move some stuff around real fast. Sitting there. And make sure you clean up afterwards because your roommate will get pissed off. And it is my day to clean the kitchen. Alright. So. Okay. So we'll set this back over here. Because that water over there. It's getting a little tough over here, guys. We should be okay. Okay, so it is on. Warming up. Alright, so in about 2 hours, I will check on it and kind of stir it up a little bit. And you guys are upside down. Well, there we go. Can't believe you guys have been upside down the whole time. That's okay, just watch it the other way. I don't know if I can edit it to where it goes that way. So yeah, I'm going to make myself some coffee. See you guys later. Bye.